This kit contains enough components to restore the clarity of at least 2 headlight lenses. The step-by-step instructions show how to remove mild contamination right through to severe cloudiness and discoloration using a variety of hand or mechanical methods. Most headlights are manufactured from strong, clear plastic which comes with a protective coating. The coating is permanently under attack from road grime, stone chips, exposure to UV rays, chemicals and extreme weather conditions. In time, the coating wears and the lens starts to discolor and become cloudy and yellow. This video covers 3 different methods for restoring your headlight lenses. The first method uses the restoration compound to remove mild cloudiness and discoloration over a small area of the lens. The second method uses the handheld sanding pad and abrasive discs to remove moderate cloudiness and discoloration over a small area of the lens. The last method involves a mechanical removal process using an assortment of the attachments provided and a variable speed drill to remove oxidization, yellowing and discoloration over a large area of the lens. Refer to the instructions supplied in the kit to determine which method to use for your particular headlight lens. Now we will show you these processes. For purposes of filming, we removed the headlight from the car, but the following methods can be carried out with the headlight lens fitted to the vehicle. We have washed the headlight prior to removal. Mask off around the lens and surrounding bodywork with masking tape, newspaper or masking film to protect it whilst working on the lens. We are masking off part of the lens only to be able to show a clear before and after at the end of this video. Handheld Restoration Method 1. Apply a small amount of the restoration compound to the microfiber cloth. Rub the compound over the affected area to remove the discoloration. When the clarity is restored, buff the area with a clean part of the cloth to bring back the shine. Handheld Restoration Method 2. Attach a P800 sanding disc to the handheld sanding pad, spray the lens with water and lightly sand the affected area. Wipe the lens and then repeat the sanding process, working through the finer grades of abrasive paper, making sure there are no tide marks or ridges and the surface is even. Mechanical Restoration Method. Mount the velcro-backed arbor and black foam interface pad to your drill. Attach a P500 grade sanding disc to the interface pad. Spray the lens with water, then using light pressure, start sanding the lens back and forth, working evenly over the lens surface. Ensure you sand to a depth just below the contamination and then wipe the lens surface before continuing the same process working through the finer grades of abrasive papers. After using the P2000 sanding disc, the surface will be white and show fine sanding marks. It is now time to polish these out and restore the clarity. Attach the lambswool polishing pad to the velcro-backed arbor. Apply a small amount of the restoration compound to the center of the pad. Smear the compound around the lens surface before turning on the drill to reduce splatter. Using medium pressure, start polishing the lens using a back and forth motion over the whole lens until the sanding marks are gradually reduced and the clarity returns. Remove the lambswool pad and attach the orange polishing pad. Smear some restoration compound to the center of the pad. Smear the compound around the lens surface and then polish in a back and forth motion, working over the lens until a crystal clear clarity is restored. Buff the headlight with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any excess polish and maximize the clarity. Now it is time to seal the lens surface with our unique clear coat lacquer, which has been specially formulated to replace the original discoloured cloudy top layer that will have been removed during the reconditioning process. Once applied, the E-Tech Restored Headlight Clear Coat produces a watertight seal and dries to a hard, long-lasting chip and UV-resistant finish. Not to be confused with most other liquid solutions that wash off and need reapplying on a regular basis. Open the sachet provided inside the cap of the Restored Headlight Clear Coat and wipe one side over the lens to remove all traces of polish, fingerprints, etc. Shake can vigorously for 2 minutes. Hold the can 20 to 30 centimeters from the surface and spray using a smooth side-to-side motion. Apply thin, even layers, allowing 3 to 4 minutes drying time between each layer. Allow to dry fully for up to 4 hours before unmasking. Do not drive the car within this period and do not wash the car for 24 hours.